Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This unboxing is from Onedaysaving. They did send me these items for review, so thank you to Onedaysaving. So let's do what's in here first. These should be keychains. These are $7.07 on the website. Looks like it comes with ordinary toolkit, except it does come with the keychain accessories here. And these are special drills. And it's not really the right, I guess it could work out. They're kind of fall themed, but I saw them and I think they're really cute. So there's a bear holding a pumpkin here. Here's a squirrel, I guess, holding acorns. Here's a bunny, maybe. Bunny holding a pumpkin, maybe. Here's a raccoon holding a heart or an apple. Might be an apple. Here is a owl with like a pilgrim hat. And here is, what is it? A fox holding two squashes, or maybe just one squash, like a weird shaped squash here. And then all the symbols look like they're letters here. Maybe this side is a little bit easier. So I noticed in these keychains that are double-sided, they put the pattern on one side. So one side, it's like way more clear. See, like the pattern is super clear, and then on the other side it's not as clear because the pattern is on the other side of the plastic, so the plastic kind of does obscure it a little bit. And drills, looks like the rhinestone drills, some black here, orange, grays, browns. But yeah, no, I saw it's not really the right season, but I liked the fall pictures. So the little, like, they're cute. I thought, hey, I could do diamond paintings off season, right? Off season diamond paintings. Okay, apparently I can't put the drills back in the bags. Oh, and FYI, let's see, this one, we'll measure this one. This one is about 3 inches wide by 2.5 inches tall, or about 7 centimeters by about 6.5 centimeters. All right, next item here is some stickers. These are $3.38. Ordinary toolkit. Looks like these are regular drills. And these are, I think, Pokemon. Now, I think they're like different evolutions of Eevee. I could be wrong, but they're cute. I don't know. I haven't watched Pokemon beyond the original, like, first season. I think when, what was it, Ash had Pikachu, went to that that trainer doctor person. Is he a trainer? And got like the Pikachu went and met Misty and Brock, and that is the extent that I remember. All these different new Pokemon, don't really remember them. Or maybe I might not even watched before. My sister had like this poster of just like 100 Pokemon, and then at some point they kept just adding more and more and more and more Pokemon. So how can you catch them all? Because it's like they just keep adding. But yeah, some Pokemon, don't know which ones are which. But I thought they were cute, and I'm just going to give these away during Halloween anyway, so I don't need to know what they are. So symbols here, looks like numbers. There's no letters. And did I say these are $3.38, maybe? But yeah, that's the extent of my Pokemon knowledge is, yeah, that first season when Ash got his Pikachu, and then I always wondered why his Pikachu never evolved like his other Pokemon. And I remember I was unhappy when Charizard evolved because, like, I mean, yeah, when Charmander evolved because all the evolutions weren't as cute anymore. So some green, some more like brownish orange colors, blues, and yellows. I would have thought there'd be more colors, but I guess we will see how these turn out. Right. Next item here is a diamond painting. This one is $5.99. This should be a full round drill. So ordinary toolkit. These are round drills. It actually has the DMC number on the bag, which I like. So here it is. It's these fireflies with some flowers. So this actually has a really good color scheme. To diamond paint some of my smaller diamond paintings. I've been primarily diamond painting my smaller full drill ones. I've been primarily diamond painting my 40 by 50s and above. And I do have a bunch of these 30 by 40s, which I'm just kind of letting not be done for whatever reason. So it looks like this thing has 24 colors and all the symbols are letters. And drill field here. Looks like a lot more confetti than you think. That background is not all color blocked here, but it looks pretty decent. And did I say this is $5.99? If I didn't, I just said it. And this thing is $25 by 34.5. And drills here. Some grays, purples, blues and greens. Some yellows, blues, pinks, orange, and some more pinks, and I just realized my nail stickers here do match this. There are some butterflies and dragonflies on it. I was like, hey, look at my nail stickers match this. That was not intentional, actually, but obviously my taste in nail stickers is similar to my taste in diamond paintings. But I have to say, I don't know if my skin tone works with this color of nail sticker, even though I really like the pattern on it. I'm not sure if this color works for my skin tone, but I was like, who cares? Do I care? I kind of care a little bit. So there's that one, and a last diamond painting here. This one is a wreath, I guess. I don't know. It's not really a wreath, but it's wreath shaped. Okay. So it comes with some lights, and it comes with a ordinary toolkit with some baggies. and has the hanging apparatus here. And here it is. It's really cute. It has bunnies and it has tulips and butterflies. That's cute. This thing is $10.81, and the drill field looks like it's primarily numbers, and it looks really nice there. It does come with some lights, and if you've been following my channel, you might realize I never use the lights. So, and then these foam things are I think they're supposed to be used to attach the light to the back of it. And did I say it's $10.81? And it's about 29 centimeters. Yeah, about 27 this way. So about 11.5 inches by, it's closer to 10.5, but a little bit more than that. There are a bunch of other designs that are Easter on this listing also, but I thought I like this one. Oh, there's some nice ones. Now there's like a Christmas one in there too. Some bunnies. So some clear drills, oranges and yellows, greens, blues, purples, pinks. Lots of different kind of pinks. More greens and and then there is some marquees here and then some yellow bulbs. Oh, apparently I should have done just 2. All right, so wait, that's the last one I'm unboxing for this video. Let me move everything up so you can see everything. So there's the bunnies there, the dragonflies. I really like the colors of this dragonfly here. Some stickers here, and the keychains. All right, so I'm going to work on a couple of these items and I'll see you later. Okay, I'm back and the bunny wreath is done. I don't have the hanging apparatus stuff on it yet because I have not sealed it. It's not too bad. The extra stick on this one is not too bad. So this is about a 29 by 27 centimeter 27 centimeter one with 22 colors, and 20 were crystal rhinestones and 2 specials. I thought the rendering actually was really nice. The symbols were all numbers. The stick was fine. The canvas was plastic. Well, you know. And let's see. And this took me 2 hours and 24 minutes to complete. So it's really cute. I really like how this one turned out. Look at the birds. There's butterflies, there's bunnies, there's tulips, and there's Easter eggs. And I really like how, the special flowers that are the flowers that are done with specials. It's done very, very well on this one. So yeah, bunnies. Maybe the only thing was the extra different color blue in the butterfly is not it's not distinct enough, so you can't really tell that there's this extra blue line, but it's otherwise it's beautiful. I like it. This one will probably be hanging around during my the Easter time. Is it too early to put the Easter stuff out? When is it too early to do Easter stuff? It's not too early. I could probably put my Easter stuff out now. All right. Next item is the Pokemon stickers here. I know nothing about which Pokemon these are. They're just, yeah. They're the weird Pokemon, the extras. So there was 12 stickers. This had 15 colors. They were all regular round drills. The rendering was fine. There are guide circles, so must be able to see it underneath. Yeah, you could see, I don't know if you could tell, you could see the guide circles underneath the drills. So sometimes I usually put that in when I could see the guide circles after I diamond painted. And this took me 1 hour and 36 minutes to complete. And they're cute. I have no idea which Pokemon these are. Nothing. I got nothing. Other than I think they're like evolutions of the same Pokemon, but I could be wrong. They're cousins of each other. I don't know. But they're cute. And I also finished the keychains here. So, what did I say? There were 6 keychains. There was 13 colors. 1 was a regular round drill, 12 were crystal rhinestones. There was some excess stick, which I normally find a lot in these keychains, so you do need to seal these. And this took me 1 hour and 45 minutes to complete. So, but they're really cute. I really like them. Bunny here with some pumpkin. And it is double-sided. Here's the owl. Oh, there's an extra drill right here. Or it could be a drill from that came off on something else. The little owl here. I don't know, is this a raccoon? Holding this pumpkin. Or this is a raccoon. What is that one then? That one looks like a raccoon. Bear here. And squirrel. I'm guessing it's a squirrel. I'm still pondering what animal that thing is. Squirrel. It's cute. And by the time I give these away during Halloween, it'll be appropriate season, right? So here are all the finishes for this video here. So thank you very much. Well, maybe I could move you up a little so you can see all the Pokemon stickers. So thank you very much to Onedaysaving for sending these items for review, and thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye.